Hub Power Company, HUBCO, is one of the leading independent power producers in Pakistan. History. HUBCO was incorporated in 1991 as a limited liability company under the Pakistan Companies Ordinance, 1984. It was formed as a result of a joint venture between the Pakistan government, responsible for the privatization of power projects, and international investors. The company's first project, Hub Power Station, commenced commercial operations in 1997. It is a 1,292 megawatts oil-fired power plant located near Karachi. Over the years, HUBCO has expanded its portfolio and now operates various power plants, including thermal, coal, and hydroelectric facilities. The company has been actively involved in joint ventures and collaborations to enhance its capacity and diversify its energy sources. Hub Power Company installed capacity in projects. Hub Power Company, HUBCO, operates several power plants in Pakistan. Here are some details about their major power plants. 1. Hub Power Station. Location. Located near Hub, Baluchistan Province, Pakistan. Capacity. The power plant has a total capacity of 1,292 megawatts (MW). Fuel type. It is an oil-fired power plant. 2. Naroval Power Plant. Location. Situated in Naroval, Punjab Province, Pakistan. Capacity. The Naroval power plant has a total capacity of 225 megawatts. Fuel type. The power plant utilizes combined cycle technology, using natural gas as the primary fuel and steam turbines for additional power generation. 3. Larabe Energy Limited. Location. Situated in Naran, Khyber Pakhtunkhwa Province, Pakistan. Capacity. The Larabe Energy hydroelectric power project has a capacity of 84 megawatts. Fuel type. The power plant generates electricity through the natural flow of water in the Kunhar River. 4. China Power Hub Generation Company, CPHGC. Location. Located near Hub, Baluchistan Province, Pakistan. Capacity. The CPHGC power plant has a capacity of 1,320 megawatts. Fuel type. It is a coal-fired power plant utilizing supercritical technology. 5. The Thar Energy Limited Power Plant, Telephone. Location. Sindh, Thar. Capacity. Thar Energy Limited Telephone has a capacity of 330 megawatts. Fuel type. It is a coal-based plant. 6. Thal Nova. Location. Sindh, Thar. Capacity. Thal Nova has a capacity of 330 megawatts. Fuel type. Coal base. 7. Prime International Oil and Gas Company. Prime International Oil and Gas Company is a joint venture between Hub Power Holding Limited, HPHL, and ENI Pakistan's local employees. It aims to further diversify HUBCO's portfolio into oil and natural gas exploration, field development and production. Prime owns several gas fields located in Zone 2 and 3, Sindh. Prime is the operator of Bit, Badra and Kadanwari gas fields. The other gas fields of Prime include Zamzama, Bitro, Jugan, Latif, Miano, Mitha, Saqib and Thal. The Prime International Oil and Gas Company also owns 4 gas processing plants of Bit, Kadanwari, Sawan and Zamzama. Investment case. HUBC is Pakistan's largest IPP conglomerate with generation capacity of 3,600 MWs, which accounts for 9% of Pakistan's installed generation capacity. We forecast 3-year earnings CAGR of 13% for FY 24-27, driven by the addition of 660 megawatts of new generation capacity. HUBC is expected to post FY 23 earnings of 45.8 billion Pakistani rupees, 32 Pakistani rupees 0.4 EPS, a 47% jump from FY 22, driven by a large contribution of income from associates. This includes half-year share of profits from its first local coal-based power plants, Thar Energy, which contributed approximately 12% of consolidated earnings during 9M FY23. HUBC's base plant remained the major earnings contributor, compressing approximately 50% of consolidated net profits during the period. This contribution will shrink progressively as income from other projects start to increase. HUBC's recent investments towards reliable and efficient projects, Thar Energy and Thal Nova power plants, have already begun bearing fruit, with the company expected to achieve the highest trailing dividend yield during the outgoing year, DI FY23E, 35.4%, with FY24 yield expectation standing tall as well around 26%. Furthermore, SECMC completed the development of the mine for the second phase, after which total output capacity has doubled from 3.8 million MT per annum to 7.6 million during 3Q FY23. Finally, company's recent acquisition of ENI Pakistan, now Prime International Oil and Gas, was awarded a Block S.W. Miano 3, with a 65% working interest. The subsidiary may begin development production operations sometime during FY24-25 once exploratory activity begins. To note, ENI has been present in Pakistan since 2000 with 12 onshore exploration licenses, 5 of which are operated by ENI. Major blocks include Bit, Badra and Kadanwari, with 1 FY23 production standing at 5 million barrels of oil equivalent. On the circular debt front, our base case assumption incorporates a slight buildup of circular debt during FY24, April 23, PKR 2.6 trillion, as we believe the addition of new generation capacities, PKR depreciation, and higher fuel costs will keep the number elevated. We revise our investment case for HUBC owing to updated macroeconomic assumptions, now expecting the company to post EPS of PKR 33.7, 32.5 in FY23-24, alongside FY24 dividend payout of PKR 17.5, DI 27%. Although the impact of our revised assumptions is significant, we have incorporated the buildup of circular debt for the sector as capacity payments increase, hence keeping the impact on our valuation modest as cash flow is hampered. Our target price is PKR 120 share. Future outlook. HUBCO is committed to contributing to Pakistan's power sector and meeting the growing energy needs of the country. The company has shown interest in exploring renewable energy sources such as wind and solar power to reduce reliance on fossil fuels and promote sustainable development. HUBCO aims to improve operational efficiency and invest in modern technologies to enhance its power generation capabilities. The company has expressed a desire to expand its presence beyond Pakistan and explore opportunities in international markets. With the increasing demand for electricity in Pakistan, HUBCO is well positioned to play a significant role in meeting the country's energy requirements. For more video like this, please subscribe to our YouTube channel Investor Affairs.